What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RZ, and I'm back with another reaction video. Today I'm reacting to construction workers versus bodybuilders. Who's stronger? Video made by Jesse James West. First ever time watching him. Let's see how it goes, if I enjoy it. But basically a little build up on what Jesse is. Jesse does like a bunch of videos like this, where it's like, you know, bodybuilders versus like your average day guy. So, you know, today we have construction workers. Let's get to it.
Construction workers have one of the most physically demanding jobs, requiring
Hey man, shout out to all my construction workers, man. Respect to y'all,
extreme strength. But are they really that strong? So I gathered world-class bodybuilders to put these construction workers' strength to the test. To find out who is stronger. First event, 1 rep max on the bench press. Ryan, we'll let you little ladies pick first. Who you sending out?
My name's Brian, and I do construction. And we got Walker. Let's go.
Okay, Walker, we'll go.
I can't lie, just off the bat of this video, I feel like what's it called? I feel like the construction workers are winning still.
Go plate for plate. Who's got a good bench?
I'm my guy right here.
Wes, let's go, baby, let's go! Oh, that doesn't look too good. Well, I could already see his chest fibers going. This is insane.
I smell estrogen out here.
You smell estrogen? I bet you have soft hands. Come on now. Oh, he's shaking. Everybody's shaking.
Oh.
This is the first time you ever bench pressed? Oh. One more.
Struggling.
Easy.
Struggling.
Oh, that's hilarious. We have a secret weapon, actually. Hey, we threw them off. You're good. This is a plan.
This is Chase, a 280-pound world-class bodybuilder who came ready for action.
This guy's screwed. Okay. Secret weapon.
Nah.
Light work.
Bro,
Light work.
Come on. Sheesh.
Light work. Light work. Up. Oh.
Walker smelled blood in the water and went straight for the kill.
Come on. Push.
Okay, that was a bit fast. How much do you actually bench?
More than him.
Nah, bro, imagine you spend all these years taking like protein shakes and all these injections, and you get beat by some random guy that drinks beer all day and just, bro, damn.
Are you a powerlifter secretly?
I don't know.
Construction, yeah, sure. Construction, yeah, sure. Okay, you want to go for it?
Actually, I'm gonna concede right here. I know my limits. I got.
You're gonna just whimper like that?
I got a show in 9 weeks. I got to be conservative.
No! They're gonna get the W on this, but definitely not the
I knew it, bro. I knew it. Construction workers had one, bro.
next one. Up next, Maz Wrestling. You basically are both deadlifting the same bar, and whoever lets go first loses. Oh God.
Come on.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
No!
Oh my God, you got us.
I almost got teabagged.
Since we are the leaders of each team, we agreed to make my match against Brian a best 2 out of 3.
Okay, hold on. Wait a second.
You cramping?
Yeah, I got a cramp.
Oh, funny now. You have too much beer.
Go.
No! Get back! Get on your knees! Sorry.
Let's go.
I hate this game! I felt the blue collar guy. He was tugging.
Come in first.
All right, whatever. We'll take the first loss.
Mark, don't let us down.
Come on, Mark. Oh, money! We'll go.
Come on.
Gymshark is dropping some of the nicest gym apparel in the game right now. They just dropped the American Muscle tee, and it's going to sell out.
Grab it! Next up, we've got a construction-themed relay race. Now, bodybuilders, we're pretty good at everything, so there's no doubt in my mind that we're gonna hit this one off and crush it. 3, 2, 1, go, boys, go! Come on, bro, go, come on! You got this, go!
Go.
Assault technique.
Even though Brandon on Team Bodybuilder started after Gavin, he still somehow took the lead.
Come on, Brandon!
But things changed quickly.
Nobody uses these anymore.
I'm gonna jump on it.
Hold on, I can break on my foot.
Okay, hurry up. No! Are you kidding? One hit? Hook smash! Go, one hit! One hit, come on! We're almost there, we can win this!
Let's go!
Just keep going, we have to finish!
Oh my God.
No! Hold on, it's facing the wrong way.
You're supposed to push, not
We're
pull.
gonna get it. We're so close. She's right there. Woo! A close second. It's fine. The next competition, I think, is in our favor.
Don't make me take my shirt off, babe.
Up next, we've got arm wrestling. May the better arm win. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Brady. Hit him, hit him, hit him.
Pull.
Hit him, hit him. Done. Winners! Let's go, Team Bodybuilders! Woo! Dude, I can't believe we just kicked your guys' asses. No! Kill you! Okay, we are officially tied 2-2 in the events. Let's keep going. The next event is a dump truck push. Not those dump trucks. This thing weighs over 15 tons. It's gonna be team versus team. Whoever can get to the finish line the fastest wins this round. Boys,
Let's do it.
you ready? Should we like rock, paper, for who's gonna go?
Yeah.
Bro, you know what? Before each one, I might just start saying what team I think I'm gonna win. Bro, I feel like this one's gonna go to the. These guys. Wait, these guys here? Yeah, these guys here.
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's right, baby.
At least he finally won something.
2, 1, go! Go, push! Push, come on! Come on, drive! Chop your feet! Chop your feet! Chop your feet! Let's go!
Bro, this sounds mental.
Here we go, push.
Oh, we're moving! We're moving! Come on! Come on! Push! Burn it! Burn it! We gotta get all the way to the cone. Keep going! We're not there yet! All the way! We're almost there! Done! Stop! Let's go! Right there. That's what's up.
Demon Slayer training.
Don't tell them our time. We got 36 seconds, so that's good. You guys gotta beat 40. 40 seconds. Just 40. Good luck.
40 seconds?
Yeah, good luck. Good luck. You got it. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
I do got win.
3, 2, 1,
They got
go!
Dustin.
Oh, that's slow.
As a construction worker started off much slower than
boys,
us,
we got this.
I realized that all
got
of the
this.
squats in the gym
We got this.
finally paid off.
Dude, look at them struggle. I'm not gonna lie, they are pushing it a little fast.
Let's go.
Yo, what
Oh
the
my
heck?
God, I feel it.
Wait, what's happening right now? Oh my God, bro, we're screwed. We're screwed. You're kidding me. 27. Yo, 27. Yo, you guys got 45 seconds. You suck.
Ain't no way.
27 seconds. That is very impressive.
That's longer than normal for me.
The next round is worth 2 points.
Oh, shit.
So if we beat you, we win.
He's confident.
Hey, good job so far, but you guys look a little tired.
We're not bodybuilders. We're fat.
For the final event, we will be going plate for plate on the deadlift. This final event is going to be worth 2 points. The final event, we're sending out Trey, baby! Let's go!
Let's get it.
Let's go! And number one rule, no sumo. We're starting off with Trey, but we'll be sending in Chase to finish him off. That sounds horribly wrong. To finish the job off.
Bro.
Hey! One plate, easy.
So I'm sending up Jonathan, one of our biggest.
Oh my gosh. You got some short legs. There we go, Trey. That's what's up. You guys are real quiet over there. Let's go, Trey. Easy. Easy money.
I saw a little form break.
Look at the traps on this guy.
Look at the dump truck.
Nah.
Uh-oh. Come on,
Okay,
man. Wait, no,
bro.
you're on the wrong team.
Cool, man.
Woo! Nah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, easy. Oh, easy. Look at that back, dude. Already using freaking straps in the belt.
You're right.
Did you have work today?
I've been up since 4:30 this morning.
Jesus, man.
Sure.
Time to wake up, Trey.
I never sleep, bro. I'm always
That's right! That's right! Oh, he's going. That looked heavy.
This is not just show muscle. This is go muscle.
That's right! That's my friend! Let's go. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, he's put a shrug to it.
Oh.
Let's go, Trey! Come on! Come on, Trey. Get that! Easy!
Come on.
Smoke show, goddammit.
Bro, just walks away in silence. 6 plates!
Don't let us down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro.
Holy crap. Secret weapon, let's go.
Time to shine.
Get in there, all right? I don't know if you guys noticed, but he was gonna be the guy.
The guy
So-
that lost on bench?
Oh.
The guy that lost on bench, but won on deadlifts. Let's go, bro.
Bro.
Funny.
Okay, damn.
What for, refs, whatever.
Let's go.
I haven't used the bathroom in like 4 hours. Come on now. It all happens.
That asshole was talking That was awesome.
Oh my God.
I will say it sounded tight. It sounded
Sorry.
Let's see it, bro. Come on.
Nah, bro. Bro, I'm gonna blow your back up also.
Cool. Come on. Come on.
You got this, bro. Listen, we need this W, bro.
Need it.
We're trying to lose to them laughing at us.
No, absolutely not. Team effort.
Team, baby, team.
The plug is gone. All mud after this. It's all mud.
Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on.
Come on. Get
Come
up.
on.
Get up. Up. Holy crap.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, put it down. Boom.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
655 pounds on the bar. Come on.
Let's go.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Final rep.
And bro's wearing
Come on,
glasses.
come on, Oh my God.
Mr. Flatulence in the
I
house.
wanted to, but I started shitting myself.
Bro. Bodybuilder.
We should have.
Damn.
All right, clearly we have insane deadlifters in the house, construction workers, bodybuilders, both the same strength. We literally don't have any more weight here, so we're gonna settle it with a tiebreaker, whoever can bend the heaviest and strongest bar. Okay?
Okay.
60 kgs. You wanna let him go first? Can try to do that. You'll feel it. Oh, easy money.
That's not terribly hard, but
Okay.
it's gonna get harder.
60.
It's gonna get harder.
Nah, but they got
Get
the
sweet
good
for that.
lad.
Oh, we just stand up.
Easy.
Maybe look at here.
80 kgs.
80 kgs.
You got this. Come on, bro. Do it for team bodybuilders.
Okay, word. I can do something.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't want to hit the
Nah,
head.
bro, this guy just so
100
stoic,
kilograms.
100 kilograms.
This is the golden bar. Whoever bends the golden bar wins it for their team. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bend it. Bend it. Bend it. Bend it.
Shit.
Come on, bro. Let's see. Come on.
That
Give
is
it a
hard,
sec, give
man.
it a sec.
This is strong.
Thumb it, baby. Thumb it.
Come on. Do it for the kids. Oh my. You win. You win. Construction workers win. Wow. Because the bar bent the most, and when we got here, he bent the bar completely. Oh my God. The winner of this competition is construction workers. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe.
What did I say? I knew they're gonna win. What did I say? What did I say? I knew they're gonna win, bro. But this is construction versus worker bodybuilders. What? What? Huh? This is construction workers versus bodybuilders. And this has been your boy RZ. I'll see you boys later. Peace.